Hello guys, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. I'm just going to make a really quick video about how you get started with the Loupedeck and Premiere Pro CC. So the first thing you want to do is head over to the Loupedeck website. There will be a link in the description to where you need to go. You just need to go to Setup, scroll down and pick whether you're on Windows or Mac. This is just going to download the driver for you. Select where you want it to download to. It's just going to download there. All you need to do is unzip that and load the driver. I've already got it installed, so I'm not going to show you that step. It's really simple. You just follow the wizard. The next thing you need to do is make sure that your Premiere is up to date. So I have version 12.1.2, so the Loupedeck should work with this version and any newer versions, but I had a slightly older version. I haven't updated it for a while, and it wasn't showing up at all after I'd installed that driver. Okay, and the final step that you need to do is go to Edit, Preferences, and Control Surface, and then you just need to press the Add button, find the drop-down menu, select Loupedeck, press OK again, and you're good to go. So as you can see, all the sliders and knobs now work. I know this is a really simple process, but like I say, it did take me about half an hour to figure that out on my own, so I really hope this video has been helpful. If you found it helpful, please give the video a like, and I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. We're on our way to 500 subs, and I'd be so appreciative if you would give me an extra one. Thanks a lot, and see you next time.